Greening Kitui, a sustainable future for students. Driving from Athi River on Mombasa Road as we made our way to Kitui. On the way, we passed through Machakos, and it was here that we were greeted by the stunning sight of the Lukenya Hills and towering rocks. As we moved further from Machakos town, we encountered more fascinating hills that painted the landscape. The roads were winding and steep, and the weather was harsh and unforgiving. Scorching temperatures and intense heat accompanied us throughout the journey. But upon reaching our destination, Kitui Teachers Training College, we experienced something truly refreshing: the school's Green Initiative projects. This project has transformed the environment, creating a cool, comfortable atmosphere for both students and staff. One of the most striking features of this initiative is the planting of fruit trees, such as mangoes, which provide a vital source of food for the students. Beyond this, the trees also offer much needed shade during the hot months, particularly in January and February, when the sun can be relentless.
So I do congratulate Kitui TTC for the planting of mangoes. So we enjoy to eat mangoes, and the environment is so conducive. The sun is so hot, but the trees that have been planted have reduced the sun. Thanks.
The classrooms are often unbearably hot, so students have found relief by studying in the cool shade beneath the trees. Chief Principal of Kitui TTC, Mr. Gerald Mutegi, said the project aims to reduce heat.
Here in Kitui Teachers Training College, we have a great concern of a green initiative. We liaise with partners like Kenya Forestry Services, and they give us trees. Generally, tree is literally a bit hot during the day with very uncomfortable temperatures, and we have been able through tree planting to regulate those temperatures. Right now, like this here, we planted around 5,000 trees. Last year the same, the other year the same. Actually, if you visit the environment, you find it's very impressive. We also plant fruit trees, quite a number, like avocados trees, mango trees, and also pawpaws in our farm. And that one generates for us income. It also assists us in feeding our students and teachers. And generally, we have been quite active in participations. In fact, tomorrow our students are involved in the ceremony of International Environmental Education Day, which is getting celebrated at Kitui High School, with some of our patrons that are very active. We have hosted this year a number of functions related to trees from different organizations. We had a consortium of NGOs coming in support of that, and we can say that Green Initiative is a very great venture, is something that we cannot avoid, in line with the government and the world policy. Therefore, we are equal to the task, and we shall continue with the obligation of planting trees.
The importance of trees cannot be overstated. Not only do they provide shade and cool air, but they also contribute to improving air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. This green initiative is led by the school's environmental club.
We as people of environment, we are ensuring that our school go green by doing various activities that promote environment and that are of good help to this institution and the people from within the localities of Kitui Township constituency. We have planted more than 6,000 indigenous species of trees and diverse fruit trees within our college. We have monitored them and ensured as a club they are doing well, and they are providing our school with fruits like pawpaws. We are waiting for the mangoes in some years to come. We are expecting abundant harvest. We have also introduced litter bins within our compounds so that we can collect litter, the biodegradable litter, the reusable litter. We take them to our chambers like polythene paper that seals the milk. We use them to place our seedling beds. We have seedling beds with not less than 600 indigenous species of trees within our college. We are aiming to increase more fruit trees and to partner with other schools within primary schools so that we can ensure that we are working towards positively changing the environment of this surrounding. At the town, we sensitize the community, we talk to people, we go and show them within the town how to collect litter, how to manage waste, how to reuse empty products, and we are sure that in future people from this region will have something, will have fruits, good fruits from taking care of their environment and ensuring that the region is environmentally modified in terms of climate.
On a debate club, we normally advocate for issues of going green in our compound or in our college, and this one we do through debating activities such as that involve issues of environment, like tree planting. We talk about issues on how we can restore the land and conserve the environment. Debating activities can be a very powerful tool in making our teacher trainees have a deeper understanding on how to handle environmental issues. We normally engage them so that we bring out the core competencies in CBC, such as critical thinking and problem solving. We want to solve the problem of environment because of the climate change. So they are able to do research, thus acquiring research skills, analytical skills, because when they are giving their points in the debate, they are analyzing. They are also able to bring out another core competency, that is of digital literacy. When the debate club members go to research, they also watch videos showing people planting trees, people conserving the environment, and also restoring land, practicing in activities of land restoration.
It shows how colleges, particularly those in the semi-arid regions like Kitui and parts of the northeastern areas like Garissa, can adapt and implement similar projects. These regions face drought, famine, and a severe lack of water, with only drilled boreholes providing the water supply. The tree planting efforts have greatly impacted the students.
This far, we have planted around 1,000 and 1,500 seedlings or trees that really have grown. Even as we talk now, the environmental club has a nursery somewhere down the shamba that in every season we target 500 seedlings. This year we are aiming at around 1,000, so that by the end of 2025-2026 we have at least more than 3,000 trees in the compound. We have gone green, as you can see, and I'm very happy. We have gone green, just green initiative, greening schools initiative. That's our policy. Thank you.
As the Dean of Students in Kitui TTC, I am very much involved with the community at hand, that is the students, the Board of Management, the teaching staff and the non-teaching staff, to ensure that the greening initiative is well implemented in this college. Recently, we had a function, an event where the women representative of this county was actually the chief guest honor, and she was able to plant a tree in this college because we were planting trees and we had involved the community around. We even had, women from a group called the Ngwani dancers who are here to also plant the trees with us. So it's something that we involve the community within the county. And so there was a very good representation from all the stakeholders in the industry of greening. We also carry out a project where our students are involved in collecting 1,000 bottles each, the students that are in the Presidential Award Kenya. And this is also to ensure that we have safe disposal of the plastics, which are part of what is affecting our climate.
Not only do these trees provide shade and cool air, but they have also created an environment where students can thrive in outdoor activities like football, volleyball, hockey, basketball, and handball.
I'm Sef as Mwada, a volleyball player. I do like to play this volleyball. It is very safe to understand, even to play. The environment in Kitui TTC is very conducive. We enjoy it. We have fruits. After eating fruits, we go to play. We enjoy the climate in Kitui TTC.
These activities promote both physical health and a sense of community among the students. This successful initiative has attracted support from external partners such as the Kenya Forest Service, Kitui County Government, and the Kenya Wildlife Service, all working together to ensure its continued growth and sustainability. Through these partnerships, the Green Initiative continues to flourish, offering a model for other schools to follow in creating sustainable, healthy environments for their students. Kitui is a semi-arid county characterized by high rainfall variability and prolonged droughts. The county experiences impacts of climate change such as high temperatures, unpredictable rainfall patterns, increased incidences of droughts and diseases, reduced crop and livestock production, and loss of lives and diminishing. In conclusion, Kitui TTC Greening Initiative aim to reduce environmental impact and promote suitability.